Everyone, we are going to see about sorting algorithms. Sorting algorithms are essential in computer science and are used to rearrange data in a specific order. There are numerous sorting algorithms, each with its own advantage, disadvantage, and best use scenario. First, we are going to see about bubble sort. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swap them if they are in the wrong order. The pass through the list is repeated until the list is sorted. It is called bubble sort because the smaller or the larger, depending on the sorting order elements, bubble to the top of the list with each pass. The bubble sort work by comparing adjacent elements in the list and swapping them if they are wrong order. It performs multiple pass through the list until no more swaps are needed, indicating that the list is sorted. Each pass through the list ensures that the largest or smallest element bubbles up to its correct position. The worst case time complexity of bubble sort is ON square, where n is the number of the elements in the list. In the best case scenario, where the list is already sorted, the bubble sort has the time complexity of O of n. Bubble sort is not efficient for large data sets and is mainly used for educational purpose or when simplicity is more important than performance. Now I will show you the how to write the bubble sort code. For that I have created a file bubblesort.java. First we want to import public class bubble sort. Public static void bubble sort int arr int n equal to arr dot length boolean swapped. Perform multiple passes through the list. We are going to use the for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1 I plus plus. Here swap equal to false. And comparing adjacent element and swap if necessary. For that I am going to use another for int z equal to 0, say less than n minus I minus 1 j plus plus. Now we are going to check if arr of j is greater than arr of j plus 1. If it's greater, then we want to swap ar of j and ar of j plus 1. For that I am going to create an integer of temporary and we are going to store ar of j value, and then we are going to ar of j equal to ar of j plus 1. We are storing ar of j plus 1 value to ar of j. After that ar of j plus 1 equal to temp. At last we are going to Change the swap value equal to true. True. And if no swap occur in the past and the list is already sorted for that, if not swapped, then we want to break the code, and then we want to write a public void. We want to write a main function public static void main string argument, and this I am going to pass an array arr equal to 64, 24, 25, 12, 22, 11, 90, and then I am going to system.out.print ln original plus arrays dot toString arr. Next we are going to call the bubble sort, and we are passing the array, and then we are going to pass the sorted array. System.out.print, we are going to print the sorted array, sorted array plus arrays dot toString arr. If I run this, see we are getting this is the original array which we have passed, and this is the sorted array. See 11, 12, 22, 25, 34, 64, 19. Like this it will be sorted. We have defined a method bubble sort that takes an array of integer as input and sort it using bubble sort. We use nested loops to iterate to the array and compare adjacent elements. If an element is greater than the element next to it, we swap them. We repeat this process until the entire array is sorted. Finally, we test the bubble sort algorithm with a sample array in a main method. Bubble sort is straightforward to understand and implement, but it is not efficient for larger data sets due to its O(n square time complexity. It is mainly used for educational purposes or for sorting small data sets where simplicity is more important than performance. Thank you.